me from a tender age, me prove it. Dance all, yeah, me come myself for rule things. Who him? Likkle Addi, the new king. Money apply.
What? Oh. Well, and because she's something with her finger. Like,
me come myself for rule things.
Ooh.
Reaction.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction. Blast! And we're back in for another video for you guys. We're back in for people who are not deal. I know some miss the reaction boss, but guess what? Been a little bit gone, but they are back now with the reaction them phone. Right now I have the artist song in Jamaica right now. Well, according to YouTube, this is the #1 song trending on YouTube in Jamaica, which is styled by Likkle Addi. That's a big up yourself. That's a big up to Likkle Addi. That's a big up to Likkle Vibes. Big up the whole camp, big up the whole Jamaica, the whole Caribbean. He does a reaction boss representing for the entire Caribbean. But it's been a minute, but we're coming back. This is the first video back. As you can see, I have a new setup right now. You know, we've been moving and everything, a lot of things going on. I'm gonna make a video explain all of that. But you know what you need to do right now? Enjoy the video right now. Let's get straight to this reaction video right now. Likkle Addi, because see what I go on. Run tune.
UTG, everybody like we style.
Woo!
UTG.
Already? Already? The girl them outside already?
Everybody like we style.
Already? You know, say that me there for no people. people. You know, say that me there for already, you know. And them a show me what me there for already, you know. Go.
Everybody
What? The man them fresh up. The man them get. Me like how they are them maturing in the game now still, but me not like the females them looking good. If you not watch reaction boss for a long while, then know so like the females them already, you know. Me not have to tell them twice, you know. Run tune.
Uptown Gaza, we a lead now. Be a hot song, money we a pre-yo.
Straight.
Don't love you.
Same so. Uptown Gaza, that's say my lead now, but not that. Straight money that them a pre now. Me hear him say, me think hear him say good a while ago. Me hear him say.
We a lead now.
Yeah.
Be a hot song, money we a pre-yo.
Be a hot song. Monday dog a pre now. Got it, them match already, you know. Them name met now, you know. So be a hot song come out now, you know. Money them a pre now, you know. Go on.
Don't love you away when the G's out. Just me alone like a girl want give me. Nah, broke white pre, yeah, me reach out.
Realize what them do? Them try to keep them sand them clean because you know see them young now. And them try to keep it clean same way. Yeah, well, listen what I'm saying. Which party there? Which party there?
Be a hot song, money we a pre-yo. Don't love you away when the G's out.
The party matter listen, the party I come up. The video will continue for a lot of pausing and me giving my opinions on a lot of things that I said in the song because I want to post the video and I don't want the video to get blocked. Yeah, I know the vibe already, right? Anyways, listen.
Just me alone like a girl want give me. Nah, broke white pre, yeah, me reach out.
You hear that? Him cologne alone making the dog cologne alone, you know. The cologne alone make your wife want do what? And then bleep it out. You think about it, you figure it out. Why am I trying to say? We don't know. But you know what? We are gonna run through same way. Go on!
Likkle Vibes and Likkle Addi, them a speak about.
Yeah.
Drop a pic on the gram. Be a girl a mad talk more, yeah, the whole of Boston. Style, make everybody.
So the girl might pray the card and Likkle Vibes. Drop a pic on the gram. Drop a pic on the gram. The girl might go on while I Portmore and Boston. So okay. Hold on there. Quick game and smash our pass. Which are the mouse there? Channel. So you see that one right here, so. One of the migo. I look up until she can get it. Look about the one she can get it too. Blue ear. Why she look like one girl? What?
Want be with us? Money there enough, girl, put it to the style. And we not give up. Life too short, so we'll live it up style. Make everybody.
Whoa, me like how she a shake her little. How you da call that? It a move. So it got little jiggle in his inner. It a happen. It a alright. It a go on. It a do it work. You know, it a do it job. But we are sweat. DJ, yeah, sweat. Go on.
Want be with us. Money there you know for girl put it to the style. And we not give up. Life too short so we live it up. Music choose me. Me never choose it in my day.
The dog say people, and I repeat, and I quote, music choose him, and never him choose it. It in him blood, it in him DNA. Come on. Him not lie to you. Who am father? You see me, I will bring him coming. Eh? No cap in his rap, like no cap in my glass right now. I'm about to drop on right now. You don't know the reaction, boss. Shades in the building. Guys, sir. Yeah, run tune.
You need from a tender age, me prove it. Yeah. Dance all, yeah, me come myself for rule things. Yeah. Who him? Likkle Addi at the new king. Money apply.
What not? Oh. Well, and because she's something with her finger. Like,
me come myself for rule things.
Who? Blue Ear, I take back what I'm saying at the first, in the Smash Or Pass game as I just played. Blue Ear. Hold on the mic. The Smash Or Pass game that I just played. Blue Ear. I kind of take back what I just say a while ago still, and I'm not gonna lie to you. Yeah. Go on.
Him, Likkle Addi at the new king.
Yeah.
Money apply for shine like my jewelry.
Yeah.
UTG been a win, not the losing. I
Well, like what I say now. Remember that the first day Maria told the two of them, I say, yo, I don't feel smart them chicks there. You see me? You don't can read it, you know. But they have the money, brother, if you have. You see me, I say, nah. Look $1 bill them pan them. You know, go in a club, you have to smart, you know, so you have to cheap with the little money we have in a club. You know what I mean? Now, I'm carry Richard, you have to smart them. I throw $1,000 in a crowd. And you don't want to do that. I'm not talk $1,000 Jamaican dollar. But go on.
on the price, that's all you're shooting. Go for more money, never second with a few mil style. Make everybody want be with us. Money there you know, for girl put it to the style.
How my grandfather doing that video? Grandpa? Why you doing that video, Grandpa? Why you there, so Grandpa? Why you there, so Grandpa? Why you doing that video? In Grandpa? Why? Why go over there? Hold on, the ladies. One buckle belt. Get me here twisted, you know. Grandpa, go on.
We not give up. Life too short, so we live it up style.
Look on the way she do it. Look on the way she do it.
And we not give up.
Now watch her. I'm telling you most right so. But she right there, so right? She. Watch you know. Tell me say she not a feel bad boy. She a feel bad boy.
Life too short, so we live it up style. Make everybody want be with us. Money there you know, girl put it to the.
Why you let me know she too? That's alright you know. The one I saw in a year on her head. Yeah. Why? I can't name still. Yeah, turn good then a little bit and bathing suit and thing and tick.
Style. And we not give up. Life too short, so we live it up style. Make everybody want be with us. Style. And we not give up.
Like second time I'm seeing a video. I go on for that video. The video is short so. But you don't realize I'm gonna finish the video first. Video done. So I don't realize this, but it's like what going on in? We have to realize this, but it's like I try a girl them alone and see her dance. When I talk about that, go from my Instagram people right there so Tyrekevlogs, get me to 10k followers on the gram. It's been about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss signing out. Peace.